Now, let's visit the site and log in using our credentials. On the left side menu, we can see our insurance claim application listed. When we click on it, everything we designed has now come to life. As of now, there's no data, so the page might look empty. Let's go ahead and create a new claim. Click the Create Claim button. This will open the claim form we built. We'll fill in the details, for example, the description. This side of the car is damaged due to an accident. Then we'll add the claim amount, let's say $10,000. Select the vehicle type, and now we move on to uploading images. Remember, after selecting each image, you must click Upload to actually submit the image and see it listed in the drag-and-drop area. Upload all 3 images: number plate, damaged part, and the whole vehicle image. Once done, click Save. In just a few seconds, your claim is created, and a success message appears. If we refresh the page, we'll see the updated status and graphs based on the data, exactly as we designed them. For a better view, I'll now add some more sample data into the table. And just like that, our dashboard comes alive. So now, you can see our application is fully functional, with access control, validation, and is production ready. And this is how you can create and deploy any web application, start to finish. And that's it. We've successfully built, configured, and deployed a full-fledged insurance claim application, complete with validation, automation, and access control. From data modeling to real-time dashboards, everything is now live and working. Hope this gave you the confidence to build your own powerful apps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.